Using non-gaming headphones on Xbox One can be a challenge if you want to do voice chat along with game audio. And today I'll show you how you can use Bose Soundlink On-Ear or OE headphones as a full gaming headset. This will also work for Bose headphones like the QuietComfort Series, in case you were wondering. The two things you'll need are the StarTech TRRS adapter and a 3.5mm clip-on microphone. The TRRS adapter is a splitter for audio input and output. It has separate ports for microphones and headphones on one end, but don't confuse this cable with the standard stereo Y-splitter because the Y-splitter won't work because they're wired differently internally. The other end has a 3.5mm plug with 4 metal sections on it. Be sure yours looks like this. And here's a cheap clip-on mic that I bought in a 5-pack for about $7. To make this all work, plug the microphone into the port with the microphone icon on it. Then plug the headphone cable into the headphone port. Take the microphone and clip it onto the headphone cable near the ear cup. And finally, plug the StarTech adapter into a second-generation Xbox One controller. I can confirm that this works when the headset icon shows up at the top of the Xbox menu screen. You can definitely confirm that this works when you see the circle light up around the gamer pic when you talk in the party settings. So if you have the Bose Soundlink OE headphones or any Bose wired headphones like the QuietComfort series, you can now use them on your Xbox One as the ultimate gaming headset. The microphones I'm using are made by Neewer, and you can get multi-packs for super cheap. I've had viewers say that their friends have told them that the voice quality sounds really good compared to others when playing online. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Queue, for more how-to videos and product reviews.